and welcome to this video on AASHTOWare's project estimation, creating a cost estimate, pay items and quantities. Prerequisites. Before you can create a cost estimate, you must first create a concept. To learn how to create a concept, please view the video AASHTOWare's project estimation, creating a concept. In AASHTOWare, a cost estimate must be associated with a concept, project, or proposal. For designers working in the To Designers estimate phase, you will always associate the cost estimate with a concept. In this context, concept is referring to the overall functionality of the AASHTOWare software and should not be confused with the concept phase or concept report in GDOT's plan development process. Cost estimates which are created or updated in the preliminary and/or final design phase of the PDP should still be associated with the AASHTOWare concept. To create a cost estimate under a previously created AASHTOWare concept, click the Add button. Please note that the parent attributes are carried over from the concept. When adding a cost estimate name, use the PI number as the identifier. Only enter the 7-character PI number exactly as it appears in the pre-construction status report. Enter the cost estimate description here. Please note that this field is optional. In the Estimate Phase list, choose Designer's Estimate. Search for the Designer Employee ID number. Next, let's select the item history used to calculate the pricing. Click on the action arrow. Choose Select Item Bid History Profile. Then select the bid history profile you want to use to calculate the pricing. In this example, we will choose BHP All. There is a green check mark next to the bid history used in the price calculation. Once you have selected which bid history to use in the price calculation, click the Copy Profile to Cost Estimate button. To save the estimate information, click the Save button. A green indicator confirms that the estimate information was saved. To create categories within the cost estimate, click on the Cost Estimate link. Next, complete the category information. Click the Categories tab. Then click the New button. Click the Cost Estimate Category drop-down list. Choose a new cost estimate category. Enter a description for the chosen item. The first method to add cost estimate items is to use the Item Pricing Worksheet. To open the Item Pricing Worksheet, click the Item Pricing Worksheet link located at the top of the page. Click the New button to begin entering a new cost estimate item. Begin completing each estimate field by clicking on the right-hand side of the field to place that field in edit mode. As you type the item number, the Look Ahead feature will populate the list. Enter the quantity. After all pay items have been entered, save them by clicking on the Save button. It appears that one of our pay items requires a supplemental description before we can save. To add a supplemental description, double-click in the Supplemental Description field. Enter the required supplemental description for the pay item. Click Apply. Your items have now been saved. Thank you for viewing this video on AASHTOWare's project estimation, creating a cost estimate, pay items and quantities.